Even though you have learned eating clean is the right way to be disciplined in fitness or for your dream body, this is a question which pops up in every person's mind. Should I bulk or should I cut? Even I have been asked this question several times, at least 100 times. At first, let's understand the basics. What is a bulk and what is a cut? Bulk. It is something to do with weight gain and putting on lean muscle mass. When you are trying to bulk, you are trying to build as much muscle as possible. To bulk, you need to eat on a caloric surplus, which means excess calories than your calorie requirement per day. There are two types of bulking. One is dirty bulking and one is clean bulking. Let's look at what it is. When you're on a dirty bulk, you're putting yourself into a calorie surplus by eating whatever you need to hit that daily calorie target. These include junk food, sugary food, and unhealthy fizzy drinks, and the list keeps going. But remember, by doing this, you are going to gain weight, but with a risk of high body fat percentage. And you can also become much fatter throughout the process. Let's look at what is clean bulk. With a clean bulk, your aim is to gain weight but to put on lean muscle mass in a way that minimizes the amount of body fat that you gain in the process. In a clean bulk, you will be eating clean calories to hit that surplus on your daily calorie requirement. This includes foods such as lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and good source of fats. What does it mean by cutting or shredding? In simple terms, a process of losing weight, losing fat, holding on to your muscle mass while being shredded. Your diet is something that you have to pay a lot of attention to when it comes to shredding. During a cut, unlike bulk, you will be eating on a calorie deficit, which means lower calories than your daily calorie intake. While you are on a deficit, you will try to increase your daily protein intake to preserve those muscle mass from any catabolism. When it comes to training, you will be doing a lot of cardio and switching to higher reps, lightweight types of strength training instead of doing the regular heavy weight lifting. Also, a word of caution, when you're on a deficit and when you're trying to shred, don't take drastic measures by dropping your body weight so quickly. Remember, moderation is the key. Conclusion. Well, the answer is very simple when you ask yourself, should you bulk or should you cut? If you want to gain weight, build some more muscle, put some size, then your option is to go for a bulk. On the other hand, if you want to lose weight by holding onto your muscle mass that you already have, then cutting would be your option. In my opinion, I would say first you should build some muscle mass and then consider your option to cut to look shredded. Now you may ask, what if I am already fat? Should I bulk first? Definitely the answer to that is a no. In this case, you should go on a caloric deficit to lose that body fat and bring it down to at least to about 15%. Then build some muscle and cut or shred to bring that body fat to an even lower percentage. This is my personal recommendation and I would advise this to anyone who is going to ask me the question. Hope you enjoyed this video and gained some knowledge. I will see you on another amazing episode.